Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I enjoy decorating, DIYs, thrifting, hauls, and more. Honey, the whole lifestyle. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. Welcome to the Amethyst Adventure. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration, the Fall Coffee Beverage Bar Collab. And this one is hosted by my girl Kim over at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Links to her channel as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this coffee bar together. And make sure you stick around till the end for the final reveal. Well, I don't know if a coffee bar can be considered sexy, but this one, it has a sexy look to it. Maybe it's the music, maybe it's the color red. I'm not sure what it is, but I hope that you like it. And if you do, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And make sure you stop by our host channel and show her some love and let her know that Amethyst sent you. So for today's look, I've used some Dollar Tree placemats and I've intertwined those to use as a runner. On top of that, I placed a clear vase which I had on hand and some Dollar Tree gems in red and white. And then I've placed my glass roses in the vase. And those I got on my road trip. And if you haven't seen my haul video, I'll make sure to link that in my description box below. At my coffee station, I've placed my DIY woven pumpkin, and then I've used my wood tier tray. On that, I've placed my sugar, tea, some pumpkins to add a fall touch, as well as a little Dollar Tree sign that says thankful, grateful, blessed. For my place setting, I've used these gorgeous beaded placemats that I got at Goodwill for $3. Some white gold rimmed Dollar Tree plates, gold salad plates which I got at Home Goods last year, and some thrifted golden white bowls with the wheat sheath motif on them. And I feel like it gives you a nice subtle fall vibe. Under my golden white coaster, I've placed a burlap burgundy leaf, which I got at Dollar Tree, and then clear glasses with the gold rim. And I think this came out beautifully. Let me know what you think in those comments. As a reminder to my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays 22 is every Tuesday, 6 p.m. Simply upload a Tablescape video and hashtag it Tablescape Tuesdays 22 and we'll find you. Sophisticated Saturdays is every second Saturday at 6 p.m. Create a DIY or decorate any area of your home in a classy, sophisticated manner. Hashtag Sophisticated Saturdays. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. So until next time.